Hi, today I will present you how to read a sensor from distance. So we will use sensor DHT11. You can use it to read the temperature and also the humidity. I will not show you the connection to Arduino Uno. I am using an Arduino Uno. So ground will be Arduino ground, VCC will be 5 volts, and data, it will be one of the digital pins. For me, the data is connected to the pin 2. So let's read the sensor. So it's saying that humidity is 33% and the temperature is 26 Celsius. And you also see here that we are using a public IP address, so this can be accessed from anywhere, anytime, if the HTTP server is on, of course. So I am using a virtual machine on Ubuntu. So here in the left you have the Minicom. I'm using the Minicom, Ubuntu Minicom, and I'm saving. Arduino is sending every 1 minute the values in the order humidity, temperature, and is writing those values in a file. And the command is very simple, something like minicom -b, and -b after that will be the baud rate. Here it is 9600 baud, 9600 baud, and then the device name -D. The device name will be the serial interface name, and then -C, the file name. And in that file we'll save all values, all that Arduino is sending to us. Here in the right I have a HTTP server. It is a very simple one. It is created in Python. Basically you can search on the internet web.pi. So I think you will find it, and it's a very easy HTTP server, very easy to program, and but it's using the HTML, so you cannot use it with PHP. I think. I don't know if they developed this web HTTP server, but currently I am using with HTML. So you cannot. I am not using PHP or something more evolved. So, and you also need a router, and you'll need to establish the port forwarding. So what I'm doing here, the public interface will be this one, the external port will be 80 because we are doing HTTP, and the internal port will be also 80, and my local IP address will be 192.168.0.11, and we can check this on Ubuntu. Let me check this. Okay, let's go IP-ADDR. So you see that is 192.168.0.11. Basically what is done in the router, it is a NAT, and when a request for that particular public IP will be translated in a request for this particular IP. Okay. Yeah, and let me do some tests before I will close this. So let's do an LA. Let's put something like echo some fake values. So let's put 100 to humidity and 55, not 55, 45 to temperature. And we'll put this in sensor values.txt. And now let's do fast the request. Sensor, resensor, and you see that is 100% and 45 degrees Celsius. Let's see if the sensor puts something else in the file. And you also see here that you can do the request from the local IP, which is 192.168.0.11, is the same thing. And you also see the humidity 100% and temperature 45 degrees. Let's minimize this. I think now we have a new value. Let's see if the sensor sends something else. Yep, the sensor sent something else, and it is 33% and 26 Celsius. So, I mean, it's not so complicated. You need basic HTML knowledge, basic basic Python knowledge. I mean, yeah, Python, and of course Arduino, and of course I don't know if you worked already with Minecom, but it's very easy. If you don't know something, it's always -h or -help, and it will print for you the available options. To be more specific, let me show you the HTTP server code. Not this one, gedit sensor.py. I will not show you the HTML code, it's very easy, but this code is very easy. So you have two methods here. Get, that it will use this form, sensor _form, and the post method that will use the index _sensor form. So you see, it's very easy. We are calling the subprocess, and we will take the last value from sensor values.txt, and we will take the left value, so, and here we will take the second value, the right value. So you see here the column 2 and here the column 1, and we will put it, the temperature we will put in this array, values insert on position 1, and here the humidity on position 0. So it's not so hard. It's a very simple code. You can find this web.py anywhere, and it will help you to establish a fast HTTP server. Also, you can do some other fancy things with PHP. With Apache. and it will be more evolved if you want, for example, to put in a database the values or so. This is only for demonstration, and it is very fast, and you can do it in 1, maximum 2 hours. Thank you for watching. Let's see if the value changed. Meanwhile, let's do a get, and here a post, and the humidity is 33 and temperature is 26. Have a good I hope this helps. I know that it is easy, it's not a very fancy solution, but it works, and it demonstrates how to read values from remote. The only condition it will be to have port forwarding on your router and your HTTP server to be always up. Thank you for watching. Bye.